In this video, we'll learn about pre-order, in-order and the post-order tree traversal in one of the binary search tree. So how do we actually find out a pre-order? How do we find out in-order and post-order? We'll see in this video. So before writing a pre-order, in-order and the post-order, so what is the order that needs to be followed in the given tree means? First is, for the pre-order, first we have to see the root element, then the left and then the right. See, in this BST binary tree, 1 is a root element, the topmost element which comes, that is 1 is the root here. So 1 is a root. For this one, which is a left part and the right part is this, for this thing, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7. So 2, 4, 5 is this, the left part for the one root, for the root element 1, and for the right part of the root element 1 is 3, 6 and the 7. So again, when it comes to the left part, 2 is the root element and 4 is the left element, 5 is the right element. The same thing for the right part as well. So we have to follow this order in order to find out a pre-order, that is a root, left and the right. In order is nothing but left, root and the right. So root comes in the middle. Here it's a left and then the right. Post order, it is first comes the left, right and the root comes at the last. So here pre-order, in-order and the post-order, we have to follow this to write the pre-order, to find the pre-order, in-order and the post-order. So first we will write the pre-order. Pre-order is equal to, which is a root element. Here 1 is a root element. First you write 1. Next left, and this is a left for the root element 1, which is a left part. This is a left part and this is a right part. So here in the left, which is again we have to see, when we come to the left part, which is a root here, root 2. For the 2, which is a left, 4. And then the right element is 5. Again we'll come to the right part. Root, left, right. We have finished the root, we have finished the left part. We'll come to the right part. Again 3, 6 and then the 7. So this is a pre-order traversal. Now we will write the in-order traversal. In-order traversal. So for the in-order traversal, which is a left part, so this is a left part, this is a root and this is a right. So we have to come this way. We have to come this way. First this is a left, this is the left and this is the right, and again this is the this is the root and again this is the right part. I hope it's clear. So let us find out in order. So in order, which is a left, for this left, again for this left, which is a left part, 4, root is 2, right is 5. We have finished the left part. We'll come to the root 1 and then right part which has a left for this 3, for the root element 3, which is a left, 6, root is 3 and then the 7. So this is an in order. So let us write a post order. Post order. Post order, what is the left, right and then the root. So for this is a left. So left is 4, right is 5 and then the root is 2. Next right will come left 6, 7, 3 and then the root is 1. Yeah. So in pre-order, in order to make you clarify, basically in the pre-order we write root element at the first. In the post order, the root element will be at the last. Okay. If you have missed any order, you have to revise it at the last, such that pre-order root element will be at the beginning and for the post order root element will be at the last, and for the in order root element will be in the middle thing. Because like that only, right, we are writing left, root and the right. I hope this is clear. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for the further notification. Thanks for watching.